In this video, we will be reviewing how to utilize Protocol Mode in the TIMS MVP software. Protocol Mode is a tool within TIMS that allows us to increase efficiency and ease of labeling trials during MBS and FEES studies. To begin, we will select a patient from the work list. The work list can be utilized to increase efficiency in inputting patient information prior to their arrival in the fluoro suite or examination room. So I'm going to select a hypothetical case, click New, and then click OK. This footage is a looper video utilized for demonstration and educational purposes, but for the purposes of this video, we are going to pretend that we are live in a fluoro suite with our radiologist or radiology technician. To activate Protocol Mode, I'll direct your attention to the label set here in the top upper right-hand corner. To view the label sets available, simply click the drop-down arrow. You will note that I have defaults and MBS IMP in this version of TIMS. That being said, it should be noted that teams can create customized label sets based on their team needs. So if there are certain label sets or protocols that you more frequently utilize for MBS or FEES studies, you can actually input them into your TIMS and use them from the label sets. So for the purposes of this video, I'm going to click MBS IMP, and then to activate Protocol Mode, I'm going to click on the clipboard here. You will know that Protocol Mode is activated when the clipboard is highlighted green. So we're going to go ahead and capture some footage from this looper video. To go to my next label, I can click the arrow icon here. I can also scrub through my label sets by clicking on the arrow icons on my keyboard as shown. So you can really make the selections of your label set based on your preference if you want to use the arrows up top or if you want to use your arrows on your keyboard. As you may notice, my series on the left-hand side of my screen are being labeled in accordance to my selections. So we can click our series tab to go ahead and view each series and scrub through frame by frame. You will notice that each of these series has already been labeled in accordance to the selections I made utilizing Protocol Mode during our quote-unquote live study. We hope this video was helpful. For more information, please reach out to us.